Okay, product review. The old famous Pop Rocks. I don't know if any of you guys remember Pop Rocks as being a kid, as a kid, but I do. And so let's look at it. Let's look at the nutrition. 3 servings per container. So there's 3 servings in this. It is 30 calories per serving. 14% is total sugar. 7% sugars, and another additional 7% of sugars added. My diabetic brothers and sisters, this is another treat that's not for you. Okay, look at it. This one is Tropical Punch. This is it. Now I remember Pop Rocks as a kid. We used to eat these things. If you can hear the almost carbonated effect that's going on in my mouth, this is what we used to enjoy eating Pop Rocks for. You hear that? Pop Rocks. That's why they call them Pop Rocks, because of that more of a popping, sizzling sound that it would do when it hits the saliva in your mouth. The tropical flavor part, it's okay. Is it Pop Rocks? Yes. This is what I remember as a child, eating Pop Rocks, having fun, popping in your mouth. Sometimes we'll pop them in the mouth, chase it with a soda, doing the stupid things the kids did. This, I think I actually may have gotten it at the dollar store. So this was like $1.25. Dollar store's not $1 anymore. Oh no, Dollar Tree I think it was. Would I buy it? I don't eat sweets that much anymore, but it'd probably be fun for the kids. How would I rate it? As a childhood treat that I had as a kid, it's still a good 8, 9, easily. Nothing's really changed about the product other than the packaging and the price. So, until next time, family, take care.